Did Alabama police just arrest someone for wearing a protest costume? And more importantly, was it even legal? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down the November 2025 Fairhope, Alabama bodycam incident involving 61-year-old Gina Renea Gamble, who was arrested while wearing a political protest costume near the Baldwin Square shopping center. The full bodycam video has already been released, and legal experts are speaking out. So let's break down what actually happened, what the law says, and whether a citizen can sue in a case like this.
Serious as a heart attack, I'm not going to sit here and argue with you. If my kids had to come by and see this, how would you explain it to them?
Are you recording?
I am recording. I'm recording right here. I am telling you right now, if my kids had to come by and see this, I would like to hear how you would explain to my children what you're supposed to be.
What a pun is?
I want you.
Understand what a pun is?
Let me get another unit over here. I want you to tell me. I want you to tell me why.
Being detained is not. I'm going to go ahead and do this.
I'm telling you right now. I am telling you right now. Sir. Turn over. On your belly. On your belly. On your belly. I told her to take it off. Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
She's gonna take it off.
Give me your arm. I want your arm now. I need somebody. Give me your arm now.
She was
walking away.
I told her to take it off.
And what ordinance was she in violation of?
It's disorderly conduct.
You could not cite.
It's disorderly conduct.
I checked.
All right, grab this arm.
Trying to behave.
Got it. Yep.
15 seconds and she was walking away.
Other arm. Let me have your other arm. Thank you. This is a family town, and I'm not going to have somebody out here dressed like this. You understand? This isn't abusive. Back up. Give some space. All right. Ready? All right, hold on. This way. This way. Bring your knees up. Bring your knees up. Knees up. And then you're going to sit up. Ready? Sit up. Stand up. Stand up. All right, sit down. I would hate for her grandkids to see her like this.
Her grandkid helped put that on her.
That's a shame. Come on, have a seat. Watch your step.
I can't see anything.
Now, I'd like for her to take this off.
I know, they can't seem to cite an ordinance. They never can.
Where? There you are. Can you see me? Okay.
Now I can.
Sit back. Sit back. Now, what you're going to do...
That's as high as my butt goes.
I understand.
And
Look.
it's cramping my leg.
I know. Listen to me. We're kind of having to fight this suit. So I want you to sit back. You're going to... This leg right here. You feel my leg right here?
Okay.
I want you to raise this leg until it's on mine. There you go. And then you're going to slide straight back in, okay?
Oh, can somebody pull me in? I can't slide because my hands are fixing to
All right,
bleed
stand
from
up.
these
Stand up.
things.
Stand up. Okay, stand straight up. I'll get it. We're going to rock that over here. All right, come with me.
What are the charges?
Hey, you roll that up.
What am I charging?
Got it?
Yep.
I can go to the other side. We might be.
Hey, I need you to get back, okay? I need you to get back, okay? I need you to get back. All right, step in. Pick up your foot. There you go. Step in.
My head! I am an ASL interpreter and my hands are killing me.
Turn around. Turn around. Scoot back in. Scoot back in. Scoot back in.
I am trying.
He's going to help you. The officer's going to help you.
I can't. I can't.
You got to get this suit off.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to get the suit out. Come on, step
Can
out.
my person get my suit off?
No, we're going to take it off of you. Come on, step
Take
out.
the suit off.
All right, uncover. All right. Uncover and let's take the suit off.
From a U.S. legal perspective, this arrest rests on very shaky ground. Here's why. First, Gamble was engaged in political expression in a public forum, which receives the strongest protection under the First Amendment. Courts have repeatedly held that even offensive or provocative expression is protected speech. The Supreme Court case Texas v. Johnson, 1989, makes this extremely clear. The government cannot punish speech simply because some people find it offensive. Second, police justified the arrest by calling the costume obscenes. But legally, obscenity has a strict definition under Miller v. California, 1973. To be obscene, content must meet all three prongs of the Miller test. Political or satirical costumes almost never meet that threshold. So the officer's justification is legally weak and very unlikely to survive constitutional scrutiny. Fourth Amendment principles explained in cases like United States v. Mendenhall, 1980, a person is detained only when a reasonable person would understand they are not free to leave. If officers did not make the detention clear, either through words or actions, then the citizen may have reasonably believed she was free to walk away. In such cases, a resisting arrest charge can be legally vulnerable. Fourth, the charges police used, disorderly conduct and resisting arrest, are commonly used in cases where the underlying justification is weak. Courts often dismiss disorderly conduct charges when the behavior is actually expressive political speech.
Okay. Y'all mind backing up first, please?
They've not done anything.
I'm going to take these hands off my legs, okay? That's fine. We're going to I got you. You can stand over at the sidewalk right now. You cannot stand this close.
Why not?
Again, for officer safety reasons, you guys got to back up.
I'm her husband.
Stay right here. Don't move, okay? Back up to the sidewalk right now, please. All right, got the handcuffs off. You're going to take this off.
What's your name?
Aunt Tifa.
Aunt Tifa. Can you tell me where the zipper to this is?
It's in the bag.
Okay. Aunt Tifa, I'm not trying to be difficult with you, ma'am. I'm trying to... No, I'm not trying to violate your freedom of speech. I'm trying to preserve a town that has values. All right, put your head down. Put your head down. We'll come over the top. Put your head down.
I got in. Let me figure out.
Okay, all right. You're exactly right.
All right, ready to drop past your feet,
All right,
okay?
pull your feet out.
We're right here, 5 below.
All right,
Pull your
step
feet
out
out.
of it. Step out of it.
Pull your feet out.
Oh, wait. What is that? My American flag shoes. What? I'm an American? I'm an American. Who knew?
Hurry up.
Who knew? I have rights. Who knew?
All right, no, leave that there. We'll take it. Step over.
We'll grab it. All right.
You're going to
Put
take
it-
my property
put 'em-
too?
All right, turn around. Put
Hey, put them on the front. Put them on the front. They're on the front. Hands in the front.
Fairhope. In Fairhope, a single tax colony, the children have been cheering me on. I walked from
No
Subway.
child's going to cheer you on dressed like
Yes,
a waiter.
they did.
That's because they're children and they're as immature as you are. All right, y'all meet me up at the gym.
Hey, Mom, I arrested a penis. Shame on you. Shame on you.
$10-15. I'll be transporting 1
Pull up to the jail, starting miles 97130.
Unit 165 joint call.
21 will meet them up there. Do not come into the street. It is illegal to come into the street. Do not come into the street. It is illegal to come into the street. Do not step into the street. It is illegal to step into the street. Do not come into the street. It is illegal to step into the street. Hey, y'all make sure not to come into the road, okay? Just don't come in the road. Okay, thank you. Thank you. That's what we like. What up?
What happened?
Well, one dressed like a friggin' wiener. Come up, and she's wearing a big gigantic penis costume and is like, hey, look, you got to take that off. And she was like, take what off? My, freedom of speech or whatever. And I said, that's not freedom of speech. I said, man, this is a family town. And I said, and being dressed like that's not going to be tolerated. I said, it's disorderly conduct. I said, you're setting an example that doesn't need to be set. I said, if my kids were to come by here and see that, what would they, I said, how would you explain it to them? And she said, I'd explain to them that we don't have kings. And I said, that's not what I'm talking about, and you know it. And I said, I need you to take the outfit off. And she went to turn around, walk off, and I said, no, ma'am. I said, come here, I need to talk to you. And she pulled away from me, so I grabbed her and put her on the ground.
Lord.
Now, the big question. Can the arrested woman file a lawsuit against the police officers? Legally, yes. Under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983, any citizen can sue a government official for violating First or Fourth Amendment rights. In this case, the bodycam footage showing the full interaction strengthens the evidence for a potential claim of unlawful arrest or interference with protected political expression. However, according to recent reporting from 1819 News, the criminal case is still ongoing. Her court appearance has been postponed to January 2026, and the defense is actively requesting discovery to obtain all police reports and bodycam footage. So far, no official civil lawsuit has been filed. The attorneys are preparing and evaluating their options depending on how the criminal charges are resolved. This means the path to a civil rights claim remains open, but its timing and strength will likely depend on the outcome of the ongoing criminal proceedings. The combination of First Amendment protection, the questionable legality of the arrest, and the full bodycam evidence gives a strong foundation for a potential lawsuit in the future. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates on this case or other stories about police accountability.